In today's video, I'll show you how to filter specific GA4 events in Looker Studio so your reports only display the data that truly matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Once the page loads, log in using your Google account. After signing in, open the report that contains the chart, table, or scorecard you want to filter. Click on the visualization you want to work with. When it's selected, look to the right side of the screen and make sure the Setup tab is open in the Properties panel. Scroll down until you find the Filters section, then click Add a filter and choose Create a new filter. Give your filter a clear name, such as View Item Event, so it's easy to recognize later. Set the filter to Include. Then choose event name as the dimension. For the condition, select an operator like equals for an exact match, contains for partial matches, or regex match if you need more advanced filtering. Next, enter the exact GA4 event name you want to filter for. Remember, GA4 event names are case sensitive, so make sure the name matches exactly as it appears in your GA4 property. Once everything is set, click Save to apply the filter. Your visualization will now show data only for the selected GA4 event, making your report more focused and easier to analyze. That's it, you've successfully filtered specific GA4 events in Looker Studio.